Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the super popular Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. One of the nice things about the outboard in a runabout like this, not just that it's low maintenance and it's super reliable, super quiet, but also the storage that it gives you. Instead of having an inboard engine back here, you now have a big trunk compartment in the back of the boat. I mean, you can fit coolers down there, everybody's beach bags, all kinds of stuff. Ton of room down below. Got nice bench seat back in the back. As you move forward on the 21 SPX, we've got a flip up thigh rise bolster. If you like to sit up kind of high up over the windshield, that makes a great seat. This particular one has the Simrad digital dash, so it's already got a built-in GPS. All your digital gauges inside there for your engine, your fuel gauge, it's all in one big gauge. Tilt steering wheel. Turn around and check out the bow on the 21 SPX. Look how big the bow seating area is on this 21 footer. It's close to like what a deck boat has, so it's kind of in between a bow rider and a deck boat. It's a super popular boat, one of Sea Ray's best sellers. Call me for a test ride. I'm Grant at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.